Dear students, today my topic is some numerical is based on formula of force F equal to ma and concept of inertia. Formula of force equal to mass into acceleration. Force equal to mass into acceleration. Here force is capital F and mass is small m into acceleration is small a. Then we get F equal to ma. Then we get F equal to ma. So, so let's solve the question. Let's start the questions. Question number first here. How much acceleration will produce on exerting a force of 15 Newton on a body of mass 5 kg? How much acceleration will produce on exerting a force of 15 Newton on a body of mass 5 kg? First one, you make a solution just like this, and given that, and to find, given that maybe what are given in questions, and to find what you find in questions. First one, in a given that mass of mass, here is mass of the body is 5 kg, so mass small m equal to 5 kg, and force are given 15 Newton. Then force F equal to 15 Newton, and to find how much acceleration will produce. So, and to find acceleration, small a equal to question mark. Acceleration equal to question mark means small a equal to question mark. We know that formula of force F equal to ma. We know that formula of force F equal to ma. Putting the value of F and m in formula of F equal to ma, then we get here F is 15 Newton and equal mass m is 5 kg into acceleration small a. Then in the next line 15 equal to 5a. In the next line we will transfer 5 in left hand side in denominators, then we get a equal to 15 upon 5, then we get a equal to 3 into meter, then we get a equal to 5 3s are 15 meter per second square, equal to 3 meter per second square. Hence the acceleration of the body is 3 meter per second square. Hence the acceleration of the body is 3 meter per second square. Our next question is question number second here. How much force will required for producing how much force will required for producing an acceleration of 4 meter per second square in a ball of mass 8 kg? In how much force will required for producing an acceleration of 4 meter per second square in a ball of mass 8 kg? First one, make a solution here and given that, and to find. In question starting time, acceleration is given here. Acceleration small a equal to 4 meter per second square and mass of ball is 8 kg. Then mass small l equal to 8 kg. And how much force will required? Then to find force F equal to question mark. Then we know that the formula of force F equal to ma. Putting all these value m and a, then we get F equal to value of m is 8 kg. And we are putting 8 here into value of acceleration is 4 meter per second square, then we are putting here 4. When we will multiply 4 into 8, then we get 32. In the next line, F equal to 32 Newton. In the next line, we get 32 Newton. Hence, the value of required force is 32 Newton. Hence the value of required force is 32 Newton. Students, My next topic is inertia, and all of you know very well inertia is a natural tendency of an object. Due to this reason, any object is cannot change its positions or situations. Inertia is a natural tendency of force. Due to this reason, the object cannot change its position or its position, and inertia is directly proportional to product of mass. Inertia is directly proportional to product of mass. If may means if any object mass of any object is greater, if you have two object, one object is 2 kg and another object is 5 kg. One object is 2 kg and another object is 5 kg. Which inertia is greater? Because the mass of 5 kg is because the inertia is directly proportional to mass. Inertia is directly proportional to mass of the body. Due to this reason, the mass of 5 kg is greater than the mass of 2 kg. The mass of 5 kg is greater than mass of 2 kg. Due to this reason, the inertia of 5 kg object is greater. Due to this reason, the inertia of 5 kg object is greater because 5 kg, the mass of 5 kg is greater than mass of 2 kg. If you have a plastic ball and a iron ball, which inertia is greater? Then you explain, because inertia is directly proportional to mass and the mass of iron ball is greater than the mass of plastic ball. Due to this reason, the inertia of iron ball is greater than the inertia of plastic ball. Students, some questions is here for you. Question number first, you solve it on self. Question number first, calculate the acceleration produced on exerting a force 18 Newton on a body of mass 6 kg. And question number second, how much force is required to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square in a ball of 3 kg mass? In a ball of 3 kg mass. And my next question is, how much acceleration will produce in a mass of 0.5 kg in a body 0.5 kg mass by applying a force of 2.5 Newton on it? And question number 4 is, which of the following has more inertia? Here is first, a rubber ball and a stone of the same size, and next a bicycle and a train, and next a 5 rupees coin and a 1 rupees coin. The dear students, you solve these questions on self in your copy. Thank you.